So, hello friends, we have today Subhashini with us. She has completed her BTech in Genetic Engineering from SRM University and now she's entering into patents industry and she's placed with Centric. So, congratulations, Subhashini.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So, Subhashini, how are you feeling?
I feel so good now. I'm elated actually.
Okay. So, I want to
Mm.
understand how was your interview with the company?
The interview went well. Actually, I was taken aback when I received a call from the manager herself around 8:30 or 9 in the morning. I wasn't prepared at all for it. It
Okay.
was very early, and she introduced herself and she started asking questions, very basic questions.
Okay.
But actually we have to know the very basics that I understood. She asked us question about a difference between novelty and freedom to operate, and also between patentability and novelty.
Hmm.
She asked me about the PCT registrations and few other questions about the US patent process.
Hmm.
Yeah, the questions were very basic, but without knowing the actual knowledge, like the actual meaning of everything and the differences between it. It was actually very cool interview. She was very cool with me, patient with me. She gave me time to think at the places where I needed time to think. Yeah, it went well.
All right, awesome. So
Mm.
the now you are starting your career into patent industry. So I want to ask, at what point of your time, because you were doing BTech in genetic engineering, so why
Yes,
you
ma'am.
decided that I want to go into patent industry?
Yes, it is actually a very long journey. I completed my genetic engineering in 2016. Then
Okay.
I continued my project in ICMR in biology. I was working
Okay.
in HIV for 2 years.
Okay.
Then I moved to another lab in it is called Marina Labs here. There
Okay.
also I worked in plant virology. So for so many years, for around 2.5 to 3 years, I was only in the lab work, and I was seeing myself nowhere. If I had to restart my career, I have to do MTech again. Again, I'll be a fresher in the market. Doing PhD again, I'll be a fresher in the market. I didn't want to go there, and also I was losing my interest in the lab, to be very honest, because I was doing the same work and again. I was not having any. I couldn't diverse myself. I couldn't experiment with more technologies. So I even tried my hands with management later on. I wanted to shift paths, so I tried management. I gave my CAT exams, and I also tried other jobs. Different sector. I wanted to shift. Then my friend, who himself, like, he's a lawyer who himself did
Okay.
its training in IIPTA. He suggested me, like, being from biotechnology, you have so much scope here in patent and stuff. I
Hmm.
still then I didn't know what it was actually. But
Hmm.
then now, okay, then I did my own research. Okay, there is some sector like this. So where even they hire engineering and life science professionals and all. So I did my own research. Then I joined IIPTA. That's how it progressed.
Okay, wow, wow. So working in a lab, and then you also tried that maybe you can go into management, and finally you said no, patent is my cup of tea. This is what I want to do.
Yes,
Awesome.
ma'am. Here I realized that here I can do like I can learn about all the cutting edge technologies, one, and there
Hmm.
is growth here actually. I can start my career right away. I don't need like 2 years course, or I don't want to waste some more time. In
Hmm.
that 2 years, I may develop my career here in a different way. So
Mm-hmm. Awesome, awesome. So, so when you were doing these, like you were trying to find yourself, what I understood when you were looking at various career options. So, how were your struggle days? Like when you were struggling and you were trying to find yourself. So, how did you manage? Because most of the students they generally feel
I
it is difficult part. So, how did you do that?
I felt lost, confused. These words were, I couldn't explain myself. One day I'll wake up and I'll say, okay, let's Google and see what else is available, what else is available outside
Mm-hmm.
the laboratory works. So I saw somewhere like clinical research. Okay, maybe we can try that. The next day it was like, no, that is too difficult for us. We may try something else. The other day we'll be like, no, virology is something I am very much expert in, so I have to continue in this path only. So I was very confused, and I didn't know what I wanted. That was there. So once I like saw this patent thing, this was something all right, and it was I felt very good, satisfied. That satisfaction I needed that. I didn't get that anywhere else. I was actually terrified to like face my future. I didn't know what I was going to do, and this gave me a self satisfaction. I wanted to start right away. Even I was pestering Meenakshi ma'am and Asta ma'am, when can I get placed? Like, when can I, have the interview with companies and all. So yeah, I'm actually very happy now.
Great, awesome. So, how was your program when you started learning about this? So, how was your experience with learning process at IIPT?
I had a two-credit subject, bioethics and patent, in my college days, but they only the basics and all the GAC and all this
Hmm.
basic were taught. But
Hmm.
here I actually got to understand the meaning of each and every term from the basic, what exactly what the patent is and how many years, and difference between the EU, US, and Indian patent. They never knew that lawyers actually, they do like LLM and go prosecute. I never had any idea about this. So these all, it was very new to me. The infringement analysis, novelty search, patentability search, priority search. These were something I never even came across being in the science field.
Hmm.
I just know peer review and write my own thesis and all, but I never know that there is something called prior art search, which now the people who invent have to go through that. I never knew that, so I learned all the basics, and it was very helpful for me to understand what exactly patent is.
Great, great, awesome. So, we at IIPT are super proud of you, and we're super happy that you are starting your career into patents field, and you have done all the hard work, and you really, really deserve to become more and more successful in your coming years.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So, we want to give a small gift from our side. So, we will be sponsoring your next level of education, that is preparing for the patent agent examination.
Thank
So
you so much, ma'am.
so all your education will be sponsored by us, and we will help you prepare. So maybe next year you can give the examination and you can go to next level in this industry.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much for joining in, and thank you for sharing your experience, because people like you, they become role model for other people who are struggling in a lab and they want to switch.
Hopefully.
All right, thank you so much and have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, bye.